Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and we're going to do a short video walkthrough today with you on one of our most famous little guys. This is the R-Pod. R-Pod is by Forest River Surveyor Division, and what you're getting in an R-Pod are those really nice tow weights but tall ceiling heights. So they've kind of got a barreled roof line in there. For tall people, you're not giving up that headroom that you need. R-Pod's also all under 4,000 pounds. This little guy's got a queen bed and a big dinette at the back, so you could have two separate sleeping areas, and it's got a small slide, weighing in at 3,200 pounds. So R-Pods have had a facelift this year. You've got the automotive windshield at the front, which is also a window. There's a nice screen on there. Beautiful going down the road. Whoever designed the decals this year, kudos to you, because they are spectacular. You've got kind of a honeycomb pattern going down the side of the trailer, and every now and then they're going to throw you one of these metallic decals, so as you travel it kind of twinkles. I'm not kidding, it's really pretty. Okay, so let's get started here. R-Pod is a laminated fiberglass exterior, and they also use the Asdel composite in their sidewalls, so no chance of delamination. Nice, strong, sturdy, insulated product. Baggage door holdbacks, magnetic. We've got a pass-through, not a pass-through, sorry, but we do have a front compartment here for storage. Standard scissor jacks on all your corners. There's the Froggy. That's known for the R-Pod decal. Spray port here on campsite, so you do have a water source. In the fall when we ordered all of these, and they came with this outside camp kitchen, so you got a little bit of a cooktop area here, and then you get a nice grill. So that grill will hook onto this compartment part here, and you can get cooking up your breakfast. Black tank flush, a lot of really high-end features on this little compact unit. Single axle, that is a torsion bar suspension. We've got a barbecue hookup down here as well, and this year, because of these longer units, the R-Pods are getting a little bit bigger. You do actually get the power awning with the LED lights, so no more having to mess around with that R-Dome. We have some of those as well, but this is your traditional awning. Beautiful door. This is, again, more of an automotive style black glass door, just ties in lovely with the exterior. Larger grab handle. And then another compartment at the back. This one is your pass-through compartment, so it's all underneath that U-dinette. At the back of the trailer, not too much happening back here. You've got your spare tire and another big window at the very back of the trailer. This is back to the traditional rubber roof membrane, so you should, for maintenance reasons, be checking that out every year. Right at the door here, you've got a flat screen TV, all your buttons, tank sensors. This unit down here, you've got some little cubbies with some mesh, so quite functional, but doesn't add a lot of weight by adding more cupboard doors. Breaker panels down there, 12-volt charger. And here we are at the very back. They've lightened it up, you guys. There's some 360 tours online as well if you want to keep an eye. Pull-down pleated shades. Beautiful U-dinette. This will fold to a bed, but you could have 4 people around here out of the rain, you know, if it's not a very nice evening. And the kitchen is your slide, all the way from a big pantry on the one side to this side of your sink. We've got the round bowl sink. The color tones are beautiful. They went from a stainless steel to more of a brushed copper bronzy color. Convection microwave, storage. You even get some puppy dishes down here. Love that if you're pet people. Still in the slide out system here. There's a lot going on. If you look all the way down, this unit actually has a central vac. I love it. You can just sweep all the stuff into there. You've got a two-way refrigerator here, nice size with the ice box inside. And then, not to lacking any storage, but look at the nice cupboards and drawers. You've got 3 drawers and a nice deep cupboard with a hanging rod in there. Also have a low-profile air conditioner. You do need the 30-amp service to work that. And then at the front here is your queen-size bed. 3 windows all around. There's some chargers and plug-ins and those blackout blinds as well. Down below also you have a bit of a cubby to put more of your stuff. And here we are into the bathroom. A lot of the R-Pod bathrooms, if you've looked at them over the years, are those step into, and they're very, very compact, kind of a single shell unit. This is not. This is back to your traditional bathroom. Skylight in there and a fantastic fan. So just a quick tour of the 190 R-Pod here at Minard's Leisure World. Finally, took a while to get these. 3,200 pounds, perfect couples coach. Maybe you need to sleep another couple when they come along for a visit. So Give us a call at Minard's Leisure World, featured here in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, as well as Watrous.